Chapter 12. Sexual Behavior. In animals, sexual behavior is closely regulated by hormones acting on the brain. Libido is the motivation to have sex. Coitus is the sexual act and occurs when a male's penis enters the female's vagina. Ejaculation is the forceful expulsion of semen from the penis. Semen is a mixture of fluid, including sperm, that is released during ejaculation. Stereotyped in this concept and context, the species-specific unvarying form of sexual behavior in non-human animals. For males, it's mounting, and for females, it's being receptive. Gonads are the reproductive organs that make either sperm or eggs. Tests are male gonads, which produce sperm for reproduction. Ovaries are the female gonads, eggs for reproduction. Androgens is the primary steroid hormone produced by testosterone is the most prominent androgen, crucial for reproduction of sperm. Estrogen is one of the two classes of ovarian hormones that are crucial for female reproduction. Estradiol is the most common form of estrogen. Progesterone is one of the two classes of ovarian hormones that are crucial for female production. Castration is the removal of the testes. Ovulation is the release of eggs from the ovaries so they can fertilize. Activation, in this context, sexual behavior is the action of hormones in the dog bone that makes particular behaviors more likely to occur. Physician William Masters and psychologist Virginia Johnson applied medical devices to measure heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, and many other variables while covered by sex. They found a basic pattern of sexual arousal. Arousal, the plateau, the orgasm, and the resolution. There's also a refractory period, which is the time following a male orgasm, during which stimulation cannot produce an urge. Menopause is the time a woman's menstrual period stops, around age 50. Prenatal hormones shape the sex of the body in humans and other animals. Indifferent gonads are the unformed gonads in a fetus, which resemble a mix of testes and ovaries. Sexual differentiation is the process in fetal development controlled by the hormones produced by the gonads of forming either male or female structures. Baby X studies is the investigations of the behavior of adults with babies as a function of their belief about the sex of the baby. Gender identity is the sense developed in childhood of whether one is male or female. Gender constancy is the concept that sex categories are permanent and not affected by variations in appearance. Congenital adrenal hypoplasia is a condition caused by the secretion of excess testosterone by the adrenal glands before birth. At birth, the genitals may resemble those of the boys. Androgen insensitivity syndrome is a condition in genetic males resulting from the mutation that makes the body insensitive to androgens. The genitals at birth resemble those of a girl.